Today we're making a lanyard. We need two supplies. We need a piece of fabric 2 inches by 40 inches, and then we need the clip that goes along with the lanyard. Our first step is to take the fabric lengthwise and fold it in half. That's going to give us a crease that we're going to use in just a bit. Now my lanyard clip is narrow, so I've gone with a 2-inch piece of fabric. If you have a lanyard clip that's a little bit wider, you can widen your fabric a bit. So I've pressed that down. I'm going to open that up. I'm going to use that middle crease, and I'm going to line up the outsides. Now I'm going to fold each side in, and then we're going to press that again. I'm going to take that. We're going to fold that in half one more time. Now we need to top stitch that on both sides. Top stitching is done. Let's line that up. I'm going to stack one side on top of the other, but then at the end I need to flip that around. We're going to stitch the end of that down just real quick. Once that's stitched, feed that into your lanyard clip. You're going to fold that over about 1/2 inch onto itself, and then fold it over one more time. Then we're going to go ahead and stitch that across. Be very careful when you stitch it, there's a lot of fabric there. All right, we're all stitched up, ready to go.